Hey folks, Bobby here today. Hey guys, today I want to do a quick little review on this 21-inch pressure wand. Okay, bring the camera right on over. Let's take a quick look at it. It's made out of 304 grade stainless steel. On this end, you have your 1/4 inch quick connect, and you have the male end of the 1/4 inch down here as well. What these are good for is if you're using like a handheld pressure washer wand, and you need just a little bit of an extension, okay, for maybe car washing and detailing and so forth. What I really like about it, it's got a nice little plastic grip here in case you do need to use it two-handed. Let me just kind of simulate what we're talking about here right quick. So here's a regular handheld pressure washer wand. Notice that it clips right into a 1/4 inch quick connect, and it gives you an extra 21 inches of extension here. If you want to two-handed as well, you got a nice grippable surface right there to grab a hold of, and you can swivel it around if need be. You got that slight little, looks like about a 15-degree angle on it right there. So it comes in real handy. We're actually going to take this out now, guys, and we're going to hook it up to a pressure washer, and we're going to spray off my truck and see how well it works. So let's head on out. Okay guys, I've already hooked it up to our little handheld here, and I decided to put a 15-degree tip in this end. I'll show you real quickly. It's just a little quick connect, and all you got to do is shove it in there. It goes in there real easily. We're going to hook it up, fire this thing up, and see how she works. Okay guys, back in the shop, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on this unit right quick. I actually kind of fell in love with this thing when I was using it, and here's why. That slight little angle right there worked out so good. Notice we were washing our full-size F-150 truck, and being able to reach up and have that little bit of angle going across the roof, okay? That was awesome. That was really easy to do. That's actually easier than dealing with a full-size wand when you're trying to hold it up there like that. And here's what was really cool. I don't know if you noticed when I was washing that wheel, I quickly just spun it up like that. I was able to get up in that wheel well really good, just like so, just by being able to turn it just like that. So this is a really cool little attachment here for your pressure washer, folks. Hopefully this video has helped you make a decision on this product. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Take care.